This is how you get Autogpt up and running step by step, so follow along, let's make this happen. First things first, you're going to want to make sure that you have Python 3 installed. So we copy the code for Python 3 here. We open up the terminal window, we hit enter, and we see that it's installed. Then you're going to want to go into GitHub, significant-gravitas/auto-gpt, and you're going to go here on the code section, and you're going to copy this link right here. You put git-clone right here, and then you enter in that link that you copied, along with what folder you want to call it. I called it Autogpt for me. Now you're going to go and get that folder, so you do cd space Autogpt for me. That was the folder I called it though. You can call whatever folder you called it. The next step is after you go ahead and you install it and you go to the right folder. So we installed it, you go to the next folder, and then you install it by putting pip install requirements. So now you want to install the requirements. You want to put in pip3 for Python 3 install-r requirements.txt. Now it's installing all the requirements. You want to do cp space .env.template space .env. This is your environment where you put all the keys. So you need to put in all of the environmental key codes, and the easiest way to do it is just inside Finder. So you go inside of Finder. If you do Command Shift dot, it's going to show all the hidden files. You go to the .env right there, and you can right click that and hit open with the text editor. And this is where you want to put in your OpenAI key. Then we're going to do ./run.sh. But I realized that it was the run.sh was using Python, not Python 3. So we're going to put nano.run.sh. And now where it says Python, we're going to change to Python 3 because it needs Python 3 to run. So you put 3 here, and you do 3 here at pip. Then hit Python 3 here. Control X to exit there. Hit Y and hit enter. So now if you do ./run-sh, you hit enter. Now it should work. Now it's going to do some more installations, get that up and running, and there it comes. Welcome to Autogpt. You're ready to go. Now there's a bunch more things that you could do, like setting up Pinecone for long-term memory and all the other ones, but those ones we can cover in another video. Follow me as I uncover and discover all the different use cases you can do in the wonderful world of AI agents.